Welcome to the instructions video for the Wavenumber interactive calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate wave number and spatial frequency for any type of wave, whether electromagnetic, acoustic, or quantum mechanical. It converts between wavelength and wave number instantly. To use this calculator, start by entering your known wavelength value in the wavelength input field. For example, let's enter 500 nanometers, which represents green visible light. Next, select your preferred unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between meters, centimeters, nanometers, or other common units. The calculator will automatically compute both the linear wave number in cycles per unit length and the angular wave number in radians per unit length, using the formula k equals 2 pi divided by wavelength. You can also work in reverse by entering a known wave number to find the corresponding wavelength. The results section displays all calculated values with proper scientific notation for very large or small numbers. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.